And now our room tour.
Hi everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe
on the go. Well, we are at Pixar Place Hotel, and here is the hallway of the hotel, third floor, leading up to our room.
And our room is 343.
343.
We have a poolside
it's not really
room.
A view.
Yes.
I think it's a poolside room.
But it is concierge level.
I found Forky.
I have no idea.
Show them your sticker. You found Forky.
Oh, in the gift shop you can hunt for and find Forky, whatever his name is.
His name is Forky. And now we are going to show you room 343. It is our room. And here we go with the room tour. I'm ready. Are you ready? Here's room 343. Let's get some lights on.
Okay.
Dun 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 dun.
Alright, so take my shoes off.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Let me take my shoes off.
Okay.
My feet are a little sweaty. When you walk in, to the left is the bathroom.
Okay. This is super cute. So I don't know if everyone gets all these amenities or if this is just a club level thing. But you've got your hand soap and body lotion, and I love that it's in a pump.
I agree.
You've got. So wait.
Oh, so that's interesting. We do not have the soap and stuff in the shower.
But look at the shower. See, I love a stand-up shower more than a bathtub with a curtain. I just think it is nicer. It is a good size shower with a good amount of room.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I mean, sometimes you need a little bit of room when you take a shower.
So this is interesting. So we can take our shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo and bring it into the shower. It's not bolted. We've got a toothbrush. Wow, I've never seen that before.
There's a toothbrush?
Yeah, a vanity kit, a shaving kit, and
a shaving kit.
A shower cap, which has now become my new favorite thing.
What's in the shaving kit?
I don't know.
Shaving kit includes a hydrating shaving cream and pivoting hand razor for a quick, smooth shave. Wow. As opposed to a slow, rough shave?
Maybe.
I guess, yeah. Well, that's cool. I haven't seen that before.
I don't know if that's just a concierge level thing or if everybody who stays at Pixar Place gets that.
That's
but this is
pretty cool.
a nice bathroom. I love the artwork.
Yep, there's Lampy.
Okay, so then...
And there's the pooper with the scooper.
Yep.
And there's, you got some towels under here, a good amount of storage space with a hairdryer, and a nice big mirror with the light around the outside of the mirror. Just very, very nice.
And look.
Oh.
A nice sliding barn door.
Yeah.
So that's nice. Then directly across from the bathroom, you've got your closet. Extra pillow and blanket.
And look, enough room for the suitcase to go in here.
You've got your ironing board, steamer, hangers, laundry bag. I'm going to steal that bag just because it's cute and it's Pixar, I think, or it has Mickey Mouse on it. I don't know.
You're admitting you're a thief? What's wrong with you?
And then we've got, I'm assuming that the fridge is in here.
Yep. Okay, so there's the fridge.
And then you've got,
you got your coffee.
Look. 70th.
And then the condiment kit for your coffee.
Oh. I don't even know what's in there, but we'll have to...
My guess is that probably cream sugar.
Yeah,
you know,
but that's cute.
Creamer, powdered creamer.
Then,
You got some cups and glasses.
Oh my gosh. Look at how cute. We're going to take these too.
Jennifer, stop admitting that you're a thief. This is going out for the public to see.
That's okay.
And now they're going to, the Disney police,
look,
the Disney police are going to come and get you. Oh, that one's empty. Nothing in there for you to steal, Jen. Okay. All right, well, we got the Keurig here.
Then you walk in.
And I'm still over here with the Keurig and the cups and the glasses.
I forgot about the ice bucket.
And there's some storage
if you brought
area
snacks.
here. Yeah.
Okay. So we have a king room. And I like how there's a nightstand with tons of plugs and stuff.
Holy cow, look at this. Yeah.
Yeah, open the drawer too. Nice.
All right.
Nice amount of storage. And you've got enough room, like on the cruise ships, to put your stuff under the beds.
Let's see under the bed. All right, so there is what appears to be the frame of the bed.
But if you
So
go in
if
on
you're
the
going to go
side-
in on the sides, you could slide your suitcase right under here, under the side, as opposed to the front.
Nice king bed.
And
And
we've
look
got,
at the artwork.
hold on, we're going to do the light here.
Oh, yes.
And then it turns.
One on each side. If you want to read.
So you just pop it from there. Pop it back in.
So then the artwork, you've got Up, Ratatouille, Toy Story, Finding Nemo, Soul, Coco,
Yeah, Coco.
and Inside Out.
That's good old Joy.
Oh, and look how cute this is.
Oh,
Look
little
at the,
notepad. Yeah.
I'm gonna take that too.
Jennifer,
It's here for my enjoyment.
stop admitting that you're stealing things.
Nice couch, tables. Can we pull these out? Yes. They do
So
move
if there was a
around.
table on the other side as well, and if it was centered perfectly, you'd have a hidden Mickey.
Okay, and now let's look at our views.
Hold on, we got to look at over here.
Oh, sorry.
We got the desk.
Big desk.
We got the desk with the chair, and then as you come across the desk, we have a lamp. Look at the
Pixar
lamp. How cool is that?
That's adorable.
Yeah, that you want to take that home too?
Oh, I would.
Oh,
if
yeah,
I could fit
okay.
in my suitcase. Oh,
Oh,
all right.
there's your
got your
safe.
safe. I wasn't expecting that. And then nice.
A drawer there.
Yeah. Oh, and looks like Disney gave us a welcome home gift. Disneyland, the happiest place on earth.
It's their 70th. Welcome home.
Oh. Oh, that's so
that's
pretty.
Oh yeah, that's very nice.
Yeah.
I'll be taking a picture of that so I can use that for either a thumbnail or for the video. Just for a video. So that's going to be really good for the video series picture.
Yeah.
And then what's the other one? Free gift
This
for
is just for DVC
yeah,
if you do.
Disney
yeah.
Vacation Club.
Not interested.
There's this picture on this wall here on the other side of the TV. So who are these characters? That's Coco. There's from
see
Soul.
Red.
Is that red in the upper left? I haven't
Yes.
seen that one. There's Bing-a-Bong, Up. What's Soul's name? Joe
Garner.
Garner. There's Up. There's Sadness. There's the door
The
from Monsters
Monsters.
Inc. There's Eva. That's from Finding Nemo, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
The one in the middle and the bottom. And then,
I have no idea.
yeah, who's that one on the left?
I have no idea. I think that's the same one that was just in the elevator. On the ground.
Oh, it could be, but I don't know who that
Just from the
is.
shape of her hair. If you guys know, let us know because we're not up to date on our Pixar movies.
Yeah, unfortunately, some of the more recent ones we haven't seen. But
Okay.
anyway, okay.
Let's go look at our view. So this is like a pool room. I can't remember
Poolside.
the exact.
Couch is a pull-out sleeper sofa, so you can fit a couple more people in here. But look at the amount of space we have in this room. This is a good-sized room. And then going outside here, we're on the third floor. Watch your step.
I'm not going to close it because I don't want us to get locked out of our room. But yeah, this is nice. And then the pool's right behind us. As a matter of fact, straight back is the pool bar.
Yeah, so the pool bar is right on the other side of these plants. Kind of right through there. And then we have a gate here that opens so we could actually go out to the pool area. So they have this huge deck area with seating. There's the poolside bar where you can get snacks and a few drinks. But the pool is over there on the other side of these trees and bushes, up the stairs a little bit. There's also a children's play area, I'll show that later. But we are just right out here. We're at the end of the hallway, so there's only one more room just on the other side of us here. And then you can see how tall the building is. I think there might be 10 floors. And then back in we go to our little patio So it's not necessarily a balcony, it is more a patio. We have a table with 4 chairs, which would make for some wonderful fun. I had a hard time latching that. It would make for some fun, lovely evening drinking. Okay, thank you, Jennifer. Watch your step. Whoop. And this is our room. This is really nice. I have to say, I like the color scheme.
Yeah, I'm very impressed.
And
I think this is adorable.
Yeah, it is.
So that's going to conclude our Pixar Place room tour. I hope you like it as much as I do and as much as Joe does.
I like it.
This is absolutely adorable. And you know what else I like? And for some people, this wouldn't be a big thing, but see all this space right here? Perfect for your suitcases.
Well, not only that, but you have space underneath here.
No, but
you have
I know,
space
but
in the closet.
For people like me who don't unpack, to be able to spread out my suitcase and it's not going to be in the way of me walking through the room or using the couch.
Even if you put it over here in front of this door, because we're not going to do anything.
Because we don't have
obviously,
room.
yeah, it's a connecting room.
So,
I personally, that is very nice. I am going to
because you're not going to be tripping over it when you walk.
Right.
So I don't know. I think the layout of this room is really nice.
Yes. I agree.
Yeah, I like how there's the hard floor, and you only have the carpeting by the bed.
Yes, that's true.
It's so much more sanitary.
Yeah, that's true.
So yeah, all right.
Yeah, it's quite lovely. We got this picture here too. I forgot. So I'm assuming Coco, Bo Peep from Toy Story, Ratatouille, Monsters, Kevin's a girl, Incredibles, Joe Gardner, and Sadness. This is a really cute picture too. We missed one thing in the room. The bathroom, barn door, once you close it, you actually get your mirror. So you get your mirror for your fits, your OOTDs. You can get yourself checked out. I have obviously changed my attire for the Oogie Boogie Bash this evening. Yes, that is a spoiler. Stay tuned for Oogie Boogie. That's happening. And back again, one more thing that we just noticed, the shower. There's one tiny little shelf here. So there's no place for the shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Do you keep it on the floor of the shower? That's kind of weird. Like there's no actual shelf for the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Okay, one other comment to make is the thermostat. Currently it's off, yet it feels really comfortable in this room. So if we turn it on, you can take this sucker down to 60. To 60. When Jennifer finds out, she is going to be ecstatic. Okay.
All right, so that concludes our room tour.
Finally, yes. Did we miss anything else?
I don't think so. I think we're good. I think we were pretty detailed this time.
I think so, yes.
All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action because we're in Disneyland.
I know.
It's only our second trip here ever.
Yeah.
And I'm just so excited.
We have a lot of new things. We are doing a lot of new stuff, including Disney California Adventure, which we didn't do 2 years ago. We just focused on Disneyland. So we have a lot coming. So yeah.
All right, so thank you for watching.
Yes.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.